Hi friends, welcome back to channel iQOO. Finally friends, I'm back with another Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS test on the Realme X2 Pro device. Yes, on the Realme X2 Pro, which has got Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. So you might be wondering why I'm making this video right now. There are a couple of reasons why. Because first thing is that this is the only phone which I do have right now from the Realme which has default 90 FPS and which can play at 90 FPS and without using any kind of tricks. Yes. So what is happening is that with my previous phones like Realme X1 Max and Realme GT device, those two phones supports 90 FPS by default. Yes. So but the Realme UI will not allow you to play at 90 FPS in these two devices. The Realme X1 Max is facing some kind of issue which is called a 70 FPS cap is happening in this phone with the recent update. And the Realme GT, which is a Snapdragon 888 processor, top high-end processor from the Realme of phones as well, top phone. But still this phone has an issue with the Realme UI. You cannot play at 90 FPS unless you use the brightness trick. But right now, in this Realme X2 Pro, without using any kind of brightness trick, you can actually play at 90 FPS. Yes, it's possible. I'll try to show you exactly. I'll try to close the game and I'll try to open again just to show you what is happening. Yes, without using any kind of brightness trick. I think this is only one luckiest phone right now the Realme has got. So which has this 90 FPS support and which has no other, you don't need to use any kind of tricks at all. No limitations. I'll let you do the couple of minutes of gameplay so you can actually experience what is happening in this device. So this is a very solid phone, friends. I still have this phone, Realme X2 Pro. I did like this phone a lot. So the main reason is a couple of things like display, fantastic, super AMOLED. This display is really good. And 90 FPS as you can see, by default we did get in this phone. That's what kind of advantage here. And let me just start normal match and show you the exactly real-time FPS statistics, how it's behaving. So right now as you can see friends, I did not use any kind of brightness trick. No brightness trick is done, nothing at all. And after the recent update only it got fixed, all the issues. Before there used to be an issue, but with the latest update the issue got solved completely in this Realme X2 Pro. Right now you can see how much FPS it's going up to 89 FPS. Wow. In the Realme X2 Pro, which has been released I think 1.5 years back. This phone was able to capable of playing 90 FPS. And the phones which launched right now, and still the Realme X1 Max, they are not trying to fix the issues. It's been very long time. I'm not sure when the issues will be solved in the phones. Let's see friends when the issues will be solving. I'm really eagerly waiting for the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT phones, the issues to get solved, but till now the issues are not yet solving the Realme. That is the reason I thought of making a video on this Realme X2 Pro, mentioning that there is one phone which actually can play the 90 FPS without any kind of issue, which is the Realme X2 Pro. Let me do the another drop test as well, just a small drop test. Right now as you can see friends, the drop, how it's going on at this moment. Let's see how much the FPS drop will be there at this moment, and right now we're getting about constant 90 FPS without any kind of problem. That's really good. As you can see friends, clearly we're getting about close to 90 FPS, 89 FPS as you can see, exactly, not bad, 86. And 4D haptic vibrations is not working in this phone, so don't worry about that. So that's it friends, it's a quick review on the Realme X2 Pro regarding the 90 FPS support, and finally we were able to play in this phone but not in other phones. So that's a quick thing which I thought of conveying to you all, and see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.